I think the way they've built relationships and carried them forward is something is difficult in today's generation. Of
Right.
course, there was a whole setup ready for me, no doubt.
Yes,
But at the same time, I had to make my own place in that
of
setup.
course.
Loyalty is back, no longer existing. I used to have 70 sub-agents. I reached a turnover of nearly 100 crores per annum.
What is that one thing that really irritates you about Dan?
No, when you're in the trade and when you're in the limelight, you come to know that there are certain people who suddenly get very jealous out of your progress. All the money in my life I made,
Ji.
I couldn't get a chance to spend. This generation is only about spending. The balance of working is parking your funds properly.
Some stories are meant to be told not because they are professional industry stories, but they are soulful stories between father and son as well. So this Father's Day, and all thanks to Excel software, Mr. Murphy, it's happening as a journey which has stood the test of time. Gary Narula started his career way back in the 80s. Pyramid Travels has been an institution that has made careers. He's built the pyramid bottom up, but he, with his son Sadbir Narula today, who is holding the fort strong, growing it stronger. And the story is about just a
Almost
cute
15,
relationship.
15 years.
Exactly. 15 years of an amazing relationship between father and son. This Father's Day, we are celebrating this bond of friendship, of banters, and of a lot of blessings. Gary, sir, your story is a story that has seen a generation of travel where relationships meant purity. Relationships meant the true standing
There was
together.
There was a genuineness in the relationship. At
So
that
true.
time.
So true, sir.
When we started, at least I had the personal experience of coming across all the good people of the trade.
Yes, sir.
Let it be from the travel fraternity or from the airline fraternity. All the good people always I was in touch and I got to meet them. I got to learn a lot from them. There were 6 or 7 or 8 of eight big,
Consolidate.
consolidator agents, and they were talking amongst themselves. अरे कालबा देवी में तो खाली आप लोग 2-3 एजेंट ही है अच्छे और बड़े, बाकी तो सब ऐसे ही है. I overheard that,
Acha.
and then after that, year on year, I worked so hard that year on year I started getting certificate of merit, certificate of excellency from all the domestic airlines. Travel trade has been very good. The difference today and yesterday, my time, we were very personalized in our services. We used to sit with 7-8 phones in the cabin. There was no computer. There was no nothing. We used to be all manual. And we used to handle 8 people. Today's generation can't even handle 2 phone calls.
Sadbir, what do you think? He's accusing you.
Yeah,
That's because along with those 2 phone calls, we are on 20 emails also together.
Yeah. So
Which wasn't there at his time. At his time, people needed a travel agent, and now it's not the same. People have choices. Back then in the 90s, people didn't have choices. If they had to travel, they needed an agent. They could not go directly to the airline. They didn't have online. Today there are many options available, so the approach accordingly for the agent also changes.
It did.
2006 and 8 were very bad period for the travel agents.
Right, sir.
But I told my son, he just came in 2009,
9.
10.
Right.
I said, don't get unhappy. People are going to come back. And 2008, people came back. When he started the trade, people already came back. I became ITA. All my staff who were with me in 1991 are still with me.
Wow.
I must be one of the only travel agent.
They're still with you?
Yes, I must give credit to Satbir also, because when COVID time, it was a heavy toll on us.
Yes, sir. Of course.
The hospitality and the travel industry were badly hit.
Totally.
So once I told Satbir also, चल बंद कर यार, तू खत्म कर ट्रैवल कंपनी, बाद में जब चालू होगा करेंगे. We were fed up, frustrated because we suffered in Bangkok also.
I समझती हूँ sir. I
5
understand you.
restaurants closed down overnight.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. I
So-
get you.
But he told me, Pop, let me do it my way.
आपका
Let
ही
me
बेटा
retain
है
it.
ना सर.
He retained it and I praised him for that. जब कोविड खुल गया, so then the whole travel industry was struggling for staff and we had them all. Slowly and steadily, he changed the mode of the travel. I used to have 70 sub-agents.
Okay sir.
I reached a turnover of nearly 100 crores per annum.
Wow.
But my retention was only 1.5%.
Oh.
So when he came into the business, he said, I don't want this all khichdi business. I want quality business.
Khichdi business.
So he reduced the turnover to more than 50%,
Okay sir.
but the retention was better.
Right.
So I said, I promised you I won't interfere in your way of working. And still today I maintained that. So when we started promoting South Africa World Cup,
That was historic.
Zakir and Mukesh Dand
Uh-huh.
and Sanjay Arya were 3 partners.
Okay.
They were all my competitors.
Really? Oh, okay.
And they had already done 1,000 packages. When we started the campaign 6 months later, they were negotiating Hindustan Lever, 660 people, which I grabbed, and then the roll started. Then went up to 2,500. That's where I made Mayank Khandwala an associate.
Okay.
Me.
Okay.
That's where Pradeep Sabu was an associate with me.
Wow.
So handling 2,500 people for me alone was not easy.
Not at all. Yeah.
So what I did was all the top class businesses I gave Pradeep, and Mayank was into marketing. See, I'm a founder of Tafi.
Yeah.
I'm the first 18 agents. Me, Zakir, Space, Madhav Oza,
Yatin
Suresh
Dosa.
Bhatti, Yatin Dosa. We are all Lalit Seth, Raj Tool. We are all 18
Amazing.
starters of. We started the bank guarantee.
Wow.
So when Praveen Chuk took over, by that time I went away to. I got out of the trade.
Okay.
I got so fatigued and tired out
Yeah.
of the trade.
Mm-hmm.
Worked hard for. Then we opened a travel pyramid DMC in Thailand.
Oh, really?
That was his
Idea.
brainchild. This we started before COVID, and we got quite a lot of success. Then COVID came, and after COVID we continued with the same operations. And today there we are. We are doing quite well in Bangkok as well as in Bombay.
Sir, you just mentioned to me that Sadhbir said, back off dad, I'm just figuring this whole thing
Yeah.
out on my own.
Yeah.
कभी आपको ऐसे लगा कि यार ये बेटा कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल रहा है?
नहीं,
नहीं.
इसके लिए नहीं लगा, क्योंकि he had done a lot of study. He wanted to pursue with his studies, and he was always very confident. When I used to, as a child also, when I used to tell him to study, saying, Dad, don't please. I know what I have to do.
Oh.
I know what I have to. So from his childhood only, I've been listening to what I have to do. So goddamn, you do what you want to do.
And I truly meant it when I said pure relationships. बहुत मजा आता था.
Till when I meet Madhav Oza,
हाँ.
I mean, still when I meet Madhav Oza, still when I meet Pradeep Lulla,
Ji.
still when I meet Suresh Bhattija,
जी.
still when I meet the old people,
एक ना अपनापन
Nalin
लगता है.
Kapadia, the old people which were there in trade, we still feel the same as we felt.
Oh,
We
see.
never felt rivalry. We never felt competitors. 2008 I started drinking. West Indies World Cup में success मिला.
अच्छा.
We were all together in London. All of them, we were in the Caribbean cruise for 20 days in the Caribbean, West Indies in the
अच्छा जी.
match. Then we all came to London. We stayed in London. And in London, I called both of them my sons that occasionally I have vodka. Doesn't mean you. Huh?
Confess.
I confessed to them that originally I have vodka. Doesn't mean you need to get started with. And not knowing at that time, Pop, you don't have to tell us. Not knowing at that time, they already started before me.
So Sadhbir, I'm really sorry, but Dad's shadowing you totally.
Absolutely.
And
No worries.
literally, I mean, he's got so much of knowledge, energy, positivity. Most importantly, I love what he said that, you know, I must have made a lot of careers, but again, it's loyalty. Sadhbir, I'm literally asking you a very sensitive question. You're the gentleman of today of the trade, your dad. What do you think that is one thing that you can't do what your dad did? नहीं, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि जो पापा ने किया वो अभी तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
I think the way they've built relationships and carried them forward is something is difficult in today's generation. You need a big effort today's generation to carry those relationships for so many years, for 40 years. If I can do even half of that, I mean, I think I would have achieved something.
And you know, in your formative years, Sadhbir, when you used to go to Pyramid, what did you keep observing as a child? Like, you know, and I'm seeing Sikandar Lod totally around you. Like,
I think I was
he's-
exactly the same.
How?
We used to be my school was a couple of 100 meters from office. So we used to, after school, many a time we used to be there in office, jumping around the same way Sikandar was jumping around here. In 2008-9, when I graduated, he told me, give it a shot. I've given it enough years
Yeah.
to let it just go away.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, we'll give it a shot. And in 6 months, I had decided that this is it. This is what I want to do.
Superb.
First 6 months, he was not happy.
That's it.
After 6 months,
He took it up.
you know, one tournament got shifted to South Africa IPL.
Mm.
So he was the brainchild of that company.
Wow.
Wolf.
And Sadhbir,
What made you passionate about your work? That was that tour of
No, not really. That was a part of it. The first year was a part of it. But then I wanted to always, I had it in mind that I want to do things differently also.
right. Right.
Of course, there was a whole setup ready for me, no doubt.
Yes.
But at the same time, I had to make my own place in that
Of
setup.
course. Of course.
Because I could not have just sat on that setup and, let things go on in the same manner.
Yeah.
I had to make for my own satisfaction. I had to try to diversify into newer things which they were not doing earlier. Holidays, less of consolidation of tickets,
Yeah.
more of direct clients is what my focus was.
But you know, Sadhbir, when Daddy said something very special for you. He said, when in COVID, when a man like him, who never gave up, decided, "Chal yaar, chhod de," and you held the horses straight on the reins and said, "Nahi, I am doing this," and he's so proud about you.
I told him very clearly at that time.
Wow.
I'm not letting go of anybody. I'll speak to my staff. I will talk to them. We need to take a cut for some time. We need to be together. We'll try and make it up in the future in some way when things get better. And things got better. And they've all succeeded after that. And we've all done well after that.
But hats
Things
off to
got
that
better.
staff also. In this
Definitely.
time and age, he said loyalty us zamane per, but you guys stuck on from 1901 till date, as Daddy said,
Absolutely.
from his
Right.
peon.
They are the pillar.
Peon se
our-
leke aaj wo aadmi
our
bana hai
team
jo-
in Pyramid is our pillar.
Right.
There's no doubt about it.
Right, Sadhbir. And what is that one thing that really irritates you about Dad?
so many things.
Many things. But of course, his little conservativeness, his conservative approach,
हाँ, ये conservative है.
है बहुत conservative approach है. His rigidity to few things is something not.
And
I
what
made
is?
all the money in my life.
हाँ जी,
All the money in my life I made,
जी.
but I couldn't get a chance to spend it.
क्यों नहीं?
They are only spending.
हाँ.
This generation is only about spending. What I did was I made assets. I converted my money into assets. My nature was to make a strong base for my children.
I think your generation thought like that.
Yeah, तो
Yeah,
अभी तो क्या
yeah.
ये लोग को they live it up to that.
And when he tells us that, I don't mind it because I tell him it's not our fault. You gave us that platform.
Exactly. You middle.
So thank you for it.
So COVID के बाद से ये चल
Thank you
सकती
for
है,
it.
Let them enjoy it.
No, but he's not. He's working so hard. So
Yeah.
But still, the right balance of work is not only working.
yeah.
The balance of working is parking your funds properly.
Awesome.
First, you make your money, and then you need to park your funds properly. That makes you a big man in life.
You're talking about serious financial lessons.
Yes.
Like a Warren Buffett.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to park your funds, guys. Park your funds. Like literally, Sadbir.
Making money is no deal.
Yeah.
Parking the money properly.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we
My-
wouldn't mind.
My dad used to tell me there are only two things in life. One is money management, and other thing is man management. If you
Wow.
master both, you'll never look back in life.
So true, sir. Wow.
So
Sadbir,
I think he's mastered one.
what?
Mastered
Man management. Money management, boss, वो कर लेगा.
Money management कर लेगा. ठीक, कर लेगा तो अच्छा ही है.
And Sadbir, what is it that you said? What is it that you revere about that? That is my hero because of this.
No, just his dedication towards work through his life that I've seen. Like he spoke about the Air India days, the story of going to the Air India building. We've seen it as kids.
Yeah.
We used to go on a motorbike with him. He used to tell us, I'm coming down in 5 minutes. We used to be running on that escalator up and down,
Lambi wali, haan.
waiting for 2 hours, 3 hours, but that 5 minutes would not get over. But today, in hindsight, you realize that why those 2 hours and 3 hours were there because of the work that he was putting in.